Hi guys, it's Mr. Lindy again. I'm over here. We're going to go over some section 5.4 stuff, um, things to look at, things that may help you out. Today, you just went over, or you're doing long division with the dividend being a decimal, and you're going to divide by a whole number. So, a couple quick things to review that are going to help you out. Or first off, we have to know what the pieces of a division problem are. Inside, what we are dividing is called the dividend. What we are dividing by is the divisor. And our answer is called the quotient. Now, I know that we've remembered those because we actually went over those quite a while ago, but it's nice to see those. And also, whenever you guys see this house that I drew right there, you know that we're talking about a long division problem, and that you know that you may have to use the long division formula. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Or you can go in and look and try to remember I Can Long Divide, or a song that we wrote and that we recorded. You go back and review that, but you know, very first steps, you're going to divide, then you're going to multiply, then you're going to subtract, then you're going to check and bring down and start all over again. So remember those. Those are going to be very helpful as we do this. I'm going to write down a problem, and I'm going to have you guys work it out. We have 2.35, and we're going to divide it by 5. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to see is that any time that I have a decimal here, let's just not even play around with it. If we're dividing by a whole number, which we are, right there's our whole number, I'm going to move the decimal straight up into the quotient, right up into the answer. Just put it up there right now. And then we're just going to run through everything. We're going to run through it just like we normally do. So we first ask ourselves, hey, does 5 go into 2? Well, no, it does not. We cannot put 5 pieces into 2 pieces, so we can't do it. So there's a divide. We multiply the outside. 0 times 5 is 0. We subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. You check, is 2 smaller than 5? Yes, it is. And then we're going to bring down. Draw the arrow, please. It lets me know where you're at. All right, so we're looking at, now we have 23. You notice I don't go back up into the house. I stay with the 23 down here. And I'm going to see how many 5s go into 23. Well, I know 5, 10, 15, 20. That is 4. I put it up on the top into the quotient. So that is the division part. Now we have to multiply again. 4 times 5 is 20. Then I'm going to subtract again. 23 minus 20 is 3. I'm going to check, is 3 smaller than 5? Yes, it is. And I'm going to bring down the 5. So now we're down at the last couple steps, it looks like. We see how many 5s go into 35. We know that 5 times 7 is 35. And we do the multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35. We subtract. That's 0. We check. 0 is smaller than 5. Yep, there's nothing else to bring down. We are finished in our answer. So 2.35 divided by 5 equals 0.47. Guys, just be careful of the steps. And you'll do great. You did well in long division. This is the same thing. As long as you remember to move the decimal straight up, you're ready to go. And that is only when we're dividing by a whole number. Good luck.